and today we are going to start with chapter 11, natural disaster and mitigation. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about some natural disaster that occurs naturally, like earthquake, cyclone, flood. What are these? These are natural disaster, and I will tell you about its mitigation, what measure you can follow that you may get avoid being within these types of natural disaster. So here, as you all know, nature has provided life on the earth. What nature has given us? Life on the earth. And every creature on the earth have different forms of life. Some are non-living and some are living things. But it is also a destroyer of the things. So we have natural calamities that are these destroyers. These are also known as disaster. Disasters such as flood, drought, earthquake, landslide, and forest fire. What they causes? They causes great loss of life and property. Now let us understand about these disasters. We have earthquake. Our earth crust, it is based on our tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion as they are on the earth's mantle, which is made up of molten rock. जो किसके बने होते हैं? Molten rock के. और जब ये प्लेट्स कोलाइड करती है एक दूसरे के साथ, क्या करती है? कोलाइड करती है, और चाहे वो मेजर हो चाहे वो माइनर हो, किसी भी तरीके का अर्थक्वेक अकर हो सकता है. अर्थक्वेक आर वेरी रेगुलर एक्टिविटीज. सो अर्थक्वेक्स दैट आर सो माइनर, जो बहुत ज्यादा माइनर होते हैं, वो हमें फील भी नहीं होते, राइट. एंड दोज हु आर डिजास्ट्रियस, व्हेन द कॉलिजन ऑफ द ग्रेट इंटेंसिटी अर्थक्वेक आर फेल्ट स्ट्रांगली. जो ज्यादा विस्टारियस होते हैं वो आपको इजिली फेल्ट भी हो जाते हैं. And as you know that where the quake start, it is called focus. And the main point on the surface where the force is transferred is called epicenter. Epicenter वो सेंटर होता है जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा डैमेज होता है. That is epicenter. Now, earthquake in Japan in 2011 has been horrific example. And seismograph is a measuring device and recording of the earthquake is done. And scientists, what they are using Richter scale for measuring the intensity of an earthquake. Now, what precautions you can take? Proper technique of construction should be followed while you are constructing the building. Structural safety of the building and earthquake resistance measures should always be adopted. During earthquake, जब earthquake आता है, one should not stand near a outer wall or window. It is not possible to get out of the building. आप किसी heavy furniture के नीचे बैठ सकते हैं, लेट सकते हैं. Now regular drills to aware people of do's and don'ts कि आपको क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, लोगों को aware करना है. There can be equally devastating aftershocks of the earthquake, so one should not enter the building immediately. तो बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, जैसे earthquake खत्म हो एकदम से घुस जाते हैं, अंदर चले जाते हैं बिल्डिंग में. नहीं, वो नहीं करना है. You should not go. Next is volcano. What is volcano? When the magma, जब magma under the earth crust spills over its surface is called volcanic eruption. The molten magma under the pressure of thrust, it keeps the crust or lithosphere. When it get a weak surface, जब surface weak हो जाती है, it makes an opening there, और ऐसे वो opening बनाता है. And magma comes out of the surface, which is called lava. Huge amount of ash, molten rock in the form of lava and gases erupt from the volcano through a opening. ये एक opening होती है. What is this opening called? It is called vent. Right? When eruption cool offs, it takes the shape of a mountain. Bowl shape hollow formed at the top is called crater. जो बाउल शेप बनी होती है ना पूरी, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? क्रेटर. लाइक दिस, it is crater. What precaution you should take? During earthquake, the known signs of recent volcanic activities should be avoided. The sign of eruption are visible much before an actual eruption. आपको signs थोड़े बहुत दिखने लग जाते हैं. So people should immediately evacuate the area surrounding the volcano, and there should be proper evacuation plan for the people in case of volcanic eruption. People should be made aware of this risk and explain the measure, और लोगों को measures भी explain करने हैं, risk भी बताना है, right? It's our duty only. Now floods, they generally occur when there is a heavy rainfall, जब बहुत तेज बारिश होती है, right? During heavy rains, river overflow, flood surrounding areas, excess rain and deforestation result in soil erosion. In the mountains, floods cause excessive loss of life. What flood causes? Excessive loss of life and property. Houses are washed away, cattle die in large number, crops are destroyed, death of many people. Why? Because of भाई जब बारिश हो जाती है, फ्लड आता है तो कीड़े मकोड़े इंसेक्ट्स वगैरह ये सब होता है, तो ड्रॉनिंग, स्नेक्स बाइट, फीवर, लोगों को इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है आफ्टर द फ्लड, क्रॉप का डिस्ट्रक्शन हो जाता है, फेमाइन कंडीशन आ जाती है, लोगों की जॉब चली जाती है बिकॉज दे हैव टू माइग्रेट टू अदर रीजन. Right? These are the reasons that affects the life of the people during the floods. In India, Bihar, West Bengal or northeastern state, they mostly suffer from heavy flow during the overflowing of the river Ganga, Brahmaputra every year. हर साल इनको ये प्रॉब्लम होती है. अगर हम बात करें नेक्स्ट हमारा टॉपिक है ड्रॉट. एवरीवन नोज व्हाट इज ड्रॉट. सूखा पड़ जाना. व्हेन देयर इज अ स्कैर्सिटी ऑफ वाटर, पानी की जब पानी जब खत्म हो जाता है. In India, agriculture is the main occupation and 3/4 of the population. जो हमारी 3/4 population है वो डिपेंड भी किस पे, एग्रीकल्चर पे ही डिपेंड है. Farmers depend on monsoonal rain from June to September. Monsoon provides water for growing crop. अगर हम मानसून की बात करें तो जो मानसून होता है इंडिया का वो वेरी इराटिक होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा इराटिक होता है. समटाइम्स दे आर अर्लियर, अदर टाइम्स दे आर लेट. This results in the scarcity of food grains, starvation and death of large number of cattle and people. ये बहुतों की डेथ हो जाती है. What precaution you should take? Proper reservoirs and water tanks need to be built and maintained to conserve water. Right? Rainwater harvesting measures need to be implemented strictly in every household and building of the drought prone areas. Recycle of the wastewater is good option in such areas. Water storage structures like dams, it should be built in such areas to supply water in times of drought. Next topic is cyclones. What are cyclones? They occur due to low pressure system towards which winds travel at great speed. Coastal belts in India, they are prone to cyclones and the area experiences great differences between temperature and pressure condition. चाहे वो land हो, चाहे वो sea. राइट. नियर द कोस्टल एरिया क्या होता है, जो वाटर लेवल होता है ना वो हमारा राइज कर जाता है सडनली एंड इट लैशेस ऑन द लैंड डिस्ट्रॉइंग बिल्डिंग एंड क्रॉप. स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स विद द स्पीड ऑफ ओवर 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर. भाई ट्रीज जो होते हैं वो अपरूट हो जाते हैं, उखड़ के एक तरफ हो जाते हैं. टेलीफोन लाइन टूट जाती है, इलेक्ट्रिक पोल्स टूट जाते हैं. एंड साइक्लोन्स आर मोर फ्रीक्वेंट इन कोस्टल गुजरात, उड़ीसा, वेस्ट बंगाल, आंध्र प्रदेश. In these areas, they have caused what? Severe damage to life and property. Next is precaution. Early warning system should be installed in the cyclone-prone areas to warn people. People should move to safer places in times of cyclone. Tree plantation in such areas should be promoted as it helps in countering cyclones. आप किसको counter कर सकते हो? Cyclones को. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.